E. Maybe you'll be the main focus because you're in all of my pictures.
4 hours of sleep and like an AP bio test in 20 minutes? I don't think so, man.
I'm just excited not to have a long day.
Yeah, reason why is because we're gonna get destroyed by tornadoes and stuff. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today is, what is the date? The date is March 31st, 2022, on a Thursday. Yay! The best day of the week because it's the day before Friday.
Monday would be the best day of the week because it's the furthest day from next Monday.
E. Yeah, Louisiana just got, basically destroyed by, 40,000 tornadoes, and that same storm system is moving up to us. So, yeah, we're gonna have an early dismissal, so we'll be able to get some warnings today, hopefully.
Really?
Yeah. So yeah, hopefully we'll be able to get some warnings out of this, and I guess I'll see you when something interesting happens.
Which will never happen.
If.
Alright, I'm gonna start. Hold on, bro. You'll still be able to see it.
Hello, Randy.
Like get hit by lightning. This woman has a right idea. Stand next to the boat and get hit.
Hey, you ready for the NATOs?
Yeah, I guess.
Are you ready for the NATOs?
Tornado mugs? Sorry.
Yeah, are you ready for the NATO?
Tornado mug?
Actually, tornado month's technically in May, but our tornado season is dumb.
I live in Virginia.
Yeah, duh. Sure. Oh, what happened? Why is spot focus on?
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Richmond in central Virginia, northwestern Chesterfield County in central Virginia, southeastern Goochland County in central Virginia, northwestern Henrico County in central Virginia, southwestern Hanover County in central Virginia, central Amelia County in central Virginia, southeastern Powhatan County in central Virginia until 2:15 p.m.
Oh, frick.
At 1:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Scotts Fork, or
Tornado
near
possible.
Magnolia, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Moseley around 1:40 p.m. Manatee around 1:55 p.m. On air, University of Richmond and Tuckahoe around 2 p.m. Richmond, Lakeside and Wyndham around 2:05 p.m. Mechanicsville, Glen Allen and Laurel around 2:10 p.m.
Lol.
Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Pilkington, Midlothian, Elmont, Short Pump, Longdale, Skincoder, Solomon Store, Chamberlain, Hatley, and Greendale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield.
Oh, yeah. Nope. Alright, cool.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lunenburg County in south-central Virginia, Nottoway County in south-central Virginia, northwestern Dinwiddie County in south-central Virginia, south-central Amelia County in central Virginia until 2 p.m.
Where's this one?
At 1:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cambridge, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour.
Didn't update yet.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Nottoway and Fort Pickett around 1:40 p.m. Blackstone around 1:45 p.m. Spino and Wilson's around 1:50 p.m. by the severe thunderstorm include North Wellville, Irby, Earls, Murdochs, Forkland, The Falls, Wellville, Deminey Corner, Claystore, and Blackstone Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. Station KZZ28, broadcasting from the National
Alright,
Weather
guys.
Service office in Sterling, Virginia.
Time to close the door because stuff is about to go down. Come on.
Richmond in Central Virginia, northwestern Chesterfield County in Central Virginia.
I don't know if this is gonna issue or not, but
Western Henrico County in
City of Richmond issued tornado warning.
County in Central Virginia.
Come on, come on. Let's get this.
Central and Southeast Howard, Central and Southeast Montgomery,
Are we seriously not going to get the tornado warning? Come on.
Calvert, Carroll, Central and Southeast.
This is kind of interesting. Check this out. Some moderate circulation right above Altoona.
North.
Here we go! Yeah! Let's go! I knew it would issue. Let's go! Severe thunderstorm watch for 87! Oh!
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 87, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Virginia, Albemarle, Augusta, Culpeper, Greene, Madison, Nelson, Orange, Rockingham, and Spotsylvania.
Yeah, boy!
Independent cities: in Virginia, Charlottesville, Harrisonburg, Stanton, and Waynesboro.
Hi.
Remember, a severe
Because,
thunderstorm
yes.
watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent,
Come on.
persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All-Hazard Station KZZ28, broadcasting from the National Weather Service.
God, that backlight is... it's like died. It's on high.
In Waynesboro.
Uh-oh, guys.
A severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for severe
What's a
weather,
funnel
including large
cloud?
hail and damaging winds
Chesterfield.
in and close to the watch area.
Uh-oh.
p.m. Mechanicsville, Glen Allen, and Laurel around 10 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Pilkington,
Guys. Wakefield issued this. This is good sign. Look at that.
Solomon Store, Chamberlain, Tetley, and Greendale. For your
Oh, screw off.
include North Wellville, Concord,
Oh, chicken nuggets. Shut up, Sam and Colby.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Richmond in Central Virginia, northwestern Chesterfield County in Central Virginia, southeastern Goochland County in Central Virginia, northwestern Henrico County in Central Virginia, central Hanover County in Central Virginia, east central Powhatan County in Central Virginia, until 2:45 p.m. At 2:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bon Air, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bon Air, University of Richmond, and Tuckahoe around 2:25 p.m. Richmond,
Just not
Virginia Union University, Laurel, Lakeside, East Highland Park, and Windham around 2:30 p.m. Randolph-Macon College, Mechanicsville, and Glen Allen around 2:35 p.m. Ashland around 2:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Solomon Store, Chamberlain, Atlee, Ashkick, Greendale, Hanover Airport, Roslyn Hills, Dumbarton, Midlothian, and Elmont. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. And now a special weather statement from your National Weather Service. Issued at 2:09 p.m. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions of tracking and
For those of you probably just realizing, yeah, I'm using my actual camera now, so this quality content is going to be super quality. But the thing is, it takes a little bit longer to turn on than my phone does. So you know, oh crap, guys! Tornado watch number 88. Number 88. Baltimore/Washington issued. So, yeah. I need to get tissues because allergies are. That's what. So yeah, I'm gonna get tissues. So I'm gonna leave this right here.
Partly cloudy.
And yeah.
50s. Sunday, mostly clear. Highs in the
Be right
lower
back.
50s.
Maybe I'll issue.
Lows in the mid-30s. Monday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-60s. Lows in the upper 40s. A 50% chance of showers. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 88, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Virginia, Amelia, Cumberland, Fluvanna, Goochland, Louisa, Lunenburg, Nottoway, Powhatan, and Prince Edward. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
Let's go.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Charlottesville and the surrounding KZZ 28.
Heck yeah, guys! This is gonna be a great day. Yeah. Alright, I haven't gotten an alert in a while, but I have done something cool. Check this out.
Wednesday, mostly cloudy.
I got this pretty old radio to work again, and apparently
mid-70s.
has a
Lows in the
fun
mid-50s.
feature.
The National Service has issued Tornado Watch number
I
radio,
hope we get another
commercial,
warning because it's gonna go off, and I cannot
or
wait to hear
internet
it.
sources for
The heck was that? Oh shoot! What the heck? I just heard this big rumble, and all of a sudden, I felt like the house creaking. That was crazy.
in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent.
Alrighty, guys. So it's been, I don't know, like an hour or something, and gotten nothing. But as you can see here, guys, there is another line of severe thunderstorms that is forming, and it's actually moving in this direction. Well, not down, well, this way. This and right down here we need to look out for, because this is finally going to be in KZZ 28's alerting area, so hopefully we'll be able to get some more alerts and see how well that performs. Alright, I'll see you if something interesting happens. Nothing interesting is happening. I'm bored. Let's go outside.
In Maryland.
fast the clouds are moving. Yay. So it is a lot later. It is 7 o'clock. So I had to go to drum lessons today, and we didn't get anything, so I was like, alright, we'll come back and then we'll see if we get any morning. Look what I see when I get back home. I missed a freaking alert. Well, actually, let's see how many I missed. I missed 2 alerts! We didn't get to see this thing go off. Please be something. No, it's just canceling them. Yes. You gonna go off? Yeah.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Madison County in northwestern Virginia, southeastern Rockingham County in western Virginia, south central Page County in northwestern Virginia, north central Albemarle County in central Virginia, southwestern Rappahannock County in northwestern Virginia, central Greene County in central Virginia, southwestern Culpeper County in northern Virginia until 9 p.m. At 8:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Massanutten, or 15 miles southeast of Harrisonburg, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Madison, Stanardsville, Elkton, Broadwood, Lydia, Haywood, Hannahtown, Syria, Banco, Rapa, Leon, Shady Grove, Hood, McMullen, Clearville, Slate Mills, Edmond, Nethers, Kretz, and Mission Home. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the official national
Yeah!
forecast.
Holy crap, that was so freaking awesome. That's, wow, that was cool. This thing is like so old. Yet it can set off its siren faster than you. You're the newest one. Disappointing. First time I've had 4 radios go off in my face at once. Yes, I'm so rich because I have so many radios.
Friday,
Yeah. Play Ranger beat that.
highs in the upper 50s.
Tornado warning for Fairfax. Oh shoot, stuff is about to go down. Am I gonna get this? Not sure. Oh, it's up there. Normally I do. I don't know why it just decides not to.
Weather Service damage survey 403/31/22 tornado in Tyson's Corner, Virginia. Rating at 0, estimated peak wind 85 miles per hour path length, 200 yards path width, or maximum /50 yards fatalities, 0 injuries, 0 start date, March 31st, 2022 start time, 8:41 p.m. start location, Tyson's Corner, Virginia start Latland, 38.9196/-77 2259 end date, March 31st, 2022 end time, 8:42 p.m. and location, Tyson's Corner, Virginia and Latland, 38.9195/-77 2234 narrative. A tornado touched down in Tyson's Corner, Virginia, along Chain Bridge Road just northwest of the Tyson's Corner Mall. 2 service stations were impacted, damaged by the tornado. The first one, a Sunoco gas station situated at the corner of Chain Bridge Road and International Drive, had a partial canopy collapse. Winds lifted upwards under the canopy and caused the northwest corner of the canopy to collapse on the service station building. A group of bushes separating the two service stations experienced significant vegetation loss on the southeast-facing side. The mobile gas station, separated approximately 120 feet from the Sunoco gas station, experienced a number of impacts to the building and surrounding objects. A garage door facing northwest was blown 10 to 15 feet away from the building. Metal paneling at the top of the roof along the northwest and southeast-facing sides of the building were damaged and tossed away from the building. A small canopy hanging over the entrance of the service station was mangled beyond repair. A video posted on social media displayed a number of loose items, including packs of water and other small items tossed around in a rotating fashion in the front of the building. Flying debris also caused at least 6 to 8 windows in the front of the mobile station to shatter. Eyewitness accounts along with a social media report show the tornado as it just passed the mobile gas station and was approximately 100 yards away with clear rotation in the video as it approached just northwest of Tyson's Corner Mall, just off of Tyson's One Place. Based off of lack of damage displayed further southeast, the tornado likely dissipated in the Tyson's Corner Mall parking lot. Finally, weather radars from NOAA National Weather Service KLWXWSR-88D in Sterling, Virginia, and Fire Terminal Doppler weather radars for Dulles International Airport, Reagan National Airport, and Joint Base Andrews all had corroborating velocity data supporting the tornado genesis. F scale. The enhanced Fujita scale classifies tornadoes into the following categories: F0, 65 to 85 miles per hour; F1, 86 to 110 miles per hour; F2, 111 to 135 miles per hour; F3, 136 to 165 miles per hour; F4, 166 to 200 miles per hour; F5, 200 miles per hour. The 5 p.m. observations. At Charlottesville, cloudy skies. The temperature was 53 degrees.
How is that
Dew point
for
23.
a damage report, you guys? That was insane.